All right, here we go with B&J's Custom. I'm doing a little quick video on the, let me get the good side. Hold on. On the 87 Cutlass. As you can see, I have fed the harness through my hole back here that I had. I need to put the grommet on. I need to plug some of the connectors in. Gonna put the plugs on, the wires on, hook up the fuel line. But there it is. I fed it through the hole. Right back here that I cut, that I showed you in an earlier video. Don't mind these wires. Those wires right there, those are wires that go with the car. I'm gonna have to connect them to take them to the inside, clean that up, put new loom on that. But yeah, that's it. It was a fight to get that harness through there. I just want to say, be careful where you drill your holes at, because you can drill your holes. Sometimes you can drill them too close to the AC box, and where the engine comes up for the tunnel, and you'll be in a little trouble. So I just wanted to show you this real quick, take you on a quick flash of the inside. Oh, and there's the harness running up through the hole. I'm not gonna be able to show you the hole, but there it is. Here's the rest of it. There's the garment. I'm gonna move the garment up, and there's the box and the plugs and all that stuff there. I'm gonna be fitting that in later on. But I'll come back to y'all probably later, another day, when I have everything all plugged up, looking good, ready to crank it over. I'll be back.